Here's a 1974 International half-ton pickup. It's a custom 100. It's pretty good shape. I happened to see this online, and it looked really nice. I took a trip out to Arizona and bought it. And I'm having fun driving it around. And I'm kind of going to show you what it looks like on the outside. And it's pretty clean. It's got a nice interior. It's pretty much all original inside. The seats are all real nice. Up high in the cab, the bed, it's pretty clean. Down low, I don't see any rust. Arizona vehicle, so you can't expect it to have too much rust on it. Still got the plates on it, even though it's here in Texas. But I'm in the process of getting that changed over. And the bed area, you can see it's in pretty good shape. It's not all rusty like a lot of these you see. It's been sitting around for years. Driver's side. There's a spare tire, got a cover over it. It's got all the trim work on it that came with it. It's got two tanks, one down there low right before the front tire there on the driver's side. And then I got a tank on the other side. It's the main tank is on the other side. But I'm going to go ahead and open up for a second, open up the hood. Okay, this is underneath the hood. This variety of International came with the scarce 401 American Motors V8 in it. Now they put these V8s in the sporty AMX, the little muscle cars they had for American Motors. And anyway, International picked up a few of these engines to put in their trucks. So this is not International powered. It's the 401 AMC V8. The AMX had the 330 horsepower, but it had a 4-barrel in it. International put 2 barrels on these, so it's got a little less horsepower, but it's still got a lot. This thing will run. It's got 354 Dana rear end. As you can see, it's real clean under the hood, but it's a nice little truck. Get an overall picture here from a side view. All right, got it. Okay. So, anyway, it's been to its first car show. Just took it the other night since I've had it, and made a hit there with some International truck mechanics. And inside,